Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my CLC No inspired design. Start out by painting your index and ring fingernails white, your middle and pinky nails red, and your thumb black. Outline the two white nails with red. Paint the centers of the red nails black. On the first nail, make a lipstick tube using black. Start off by making a short, wide rectangle near the bottom of the nail. Make another rectangle above the first one, but make this one a bit shorter and a bit thinner. Make one more rectangle above the other two, but make this one thinner and taller. Use a sheer white polish and then a pure white polish to add some highlights to the lipstick tube. Use red polish to make the lipstick. Use a darker red to add shading on the left and then white to add a highlight. Apply 2 pieces of striping tape diagonally across the nail and fill in small sections near the red outline. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use silver polish to make earrings. The earrings that I'm recreating here are the ones that Sungyun is wearing at the beginning of the music video. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use black polish to paint a pair of high heels. I'll put the link to the photo that I used for reference in the video description below. Fill in the soles of the shoes with red polish. Use a sheer white to add highlights to the shoe. Apply 2 pieces of striping tape diagonally across the nail and fill in small sections near the red outline. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the handbag, use silver polish to make a rectangle. Add 4 ovals above the rectangle. Add some silver glitter polish on top to finish it off. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make CLC's No logo. Fill in the cursive N and O with red. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!